So let's look at the graph of this line, x equals 2. So if you make a quick x and y sketch, here's x equals 2 on the x-axis. So you can put a dot there. That's representative of this equation. Look, this is another place where x equals 2, at 2, 1. Right? The x-coordinate is 2. Like 2, 2, 2, 3. These are all places where x equals 2. So this is the graph of the x equals 2 line. And so to find the slope of a line, you just have to grab 2 points from the line. So let's take 2, 0 and 2, 1. And the slope m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In case you haven't seen that formula before, the formula is just saying it's the rise over the run. Okay, so if you were to plug in the actual coordinates, you can call either one of these y coordinates y2. Just make sure you call the corresponding x coordinate x2. That's what it looks like when you plug in the numbers. 1 minus 0 makes 1, 2 minus 2 makes 0, and this is undefined. This right here says how many times does nothing fit into something? It's undefined. So the slope for x equals 2 is undefined. And you could have got that without the slope formula. Like to go from this point to this point, you rise 1, that's our rise, and then you run 0. You go to on the horizontal axis 0 in location. So it's 1 over 0. If you punch it in a calculator, it's undefined. Now y equals negative 3. There's where y equals negative 3. This is also a dot where y equals negative 3. This is a dot where y equals negative 3. It's a horizontal line, right? Because this is negative 1, negative 3. This is 1, negative 3. So this is our graph. And to find the slope, we rise 0 to get from this point to this point. We have to go 0 on the y-axis and 1 on the x-axis. That is defined. This slope is 0.